Are we rolling? I think we're rolling. It's a coppertop this time.
I'm going to be working on the guest computer. This part we're going to replace the hard drive, and we're going to like put the power supply completely in this thing. Hold on, let me straighten.
And I'm the cameraman.
Because
this is her project that she's doing. She built this computer herself.
Yep.
Already.
For all of my guests.
But then one of her guests, more discerning, more demanding guest, was
No. It's
playing
just
a harder game. It was
No,
ripping
we were
and tearing.
playing a pretty fine game. Just this couldn't handle the game for some.
Yeah, it was stuttering.
It was stuttering, so I decided we're fixing this thing. We're putting a new power supply. This is my old power supply.
You donated it.
I donated it for
We're
the
going
guest
from 430 watts to 650 watts because we're changing out the graphics
So
card.
we're going to put the 650 watt power supply.
Yeah.
We're going to finish putting it in, and we are going to upgrade the hard drive.
Yeah,
One of them, at least.
well, the hard drive is just actually for backup. Just to have a backup. It's a backup drive. I'm not sure where we're going to connect that, but we'll figure it out.
Okay, let's stop beating around the bush and do it.
Stop beating around the bush. Okay, well, I got to bring the camera over there so I can show them what you're doing.
I'll get the screws that we need.
So the first thing you need is like the 4 screws, right? The 4 screws to hold it in.
Last video we put
I don't know if
these in.
it'll line up. You might only be able to use 3 screws. Often that's the case. I don't know why.
Hold on. Let me see if it lines up.
Yeah, I'm moving over here.
Where are the screw holes? Where are these things?
Maybe. How is the public gonna see? The public. There's top, bottom, left. What I do is I eliminate this guy down here.
And do these?
Yeah, and do those. Yeah.
Well, we need to know what screws.
We don't even have light. I don't even think they can even see that.
They can't. Uh-oh. Do
Maybe.
we need more light?
What if we turned it around the other side?
Oh yeah, we could do
Move
that.
that chair out of the way. Yeah. We'll do that. And
I
that
need to
way-
figure out what screws are for what.
I think they'll have more light over here. Yeah, they can see better here. Yeah.
Dad, I forgot what screws are for what.
The black hexagon.
Black hexagon. Okay.
Yeah, the hex. The hex.
Hey, and there's 3 of these anyway, so that's perfect.
Yeah, that's all you need.
Actually, there's 4.
Yeah.
I found 4.
Most power supplies come with 4. They should ideally use 4, but it doesn't line up in this case. I find no matter what the power supply is. The other power supply only could take 3 also.
So this, where's the hole to put this one in?
Right here, there's a hole.
Yeah,
And
but
right there, there's a hole.
there should be a screw
right here.
placement. There's no screw placement to put a screw into this hole.
Yeah, there is. I see it right there. See that?
No, for that hole, but for this hole, there's
Oh,
nothing.
there isn't. Oh, okay. Well, then you're going to have to put it down in there then.
This hole,
Yeah.
that's not a hole.
There's
that's
one
a
in the
line.
hole.
So, where is anything?
Where is anything? Can I help you? Am I allowed to touch anything?
No.
Yeah, push it all the way back. All the way. Okay, now slide it. There. Right there, see? Back this way again. Stop. Hole there. Hole there. I think there's a hole there.
No, those are lines, I think. Yeah, those are just lines that we decided to dig into.
Oh, I see. Yeah. And there's the hole there for that one, right?
Yeah, that's an actual hole, but that's the only one. Okay,
is
this
so
is
bizarre.
extremely confusing. Whatever.
Well, put one in. Put one in as a line up. You know, to line it.
None of them line up.
Would you like to be
There's a hole there. There's a hole there.
Let me ask you
there's a
something.
hole
Would you
there.
would you like to be the cameraman?
No.
And
Being the cameraman is boring. You get to watch everything happen, but you don't get to be doing anything.
it's not upside down, is it?
No, because the 650 watt and everything else is correct. Right side up.
Oh, you know what? I think it is upside down.
What?
Yeah, I think it's upside down.
How could it be
Pull it
upside
back up.
down?
Because of the way the power, the cable goes. Yep. Yeah.
Why is it?
Oh, okay. The writing. Yeah, it's upside down then. Well, I don't know because, well, we're having fun, aren't we?
Yeah.
Because this should be toward the back of the computer.
No, whatever.
And then we'd
It'll
read
be
it upside
too
down.
pink. It'll
Well,
be,
let's see if it lines up.
yeah, it'll be too pink to even notice that the writing's upside down.
Let's see if we have screw hole alignment.
We have 1, we have 2, and we have
One
3.
there too, yeah. So it lines up better that way.
Yeah, we have all 4 lined up.
Yeah.
What? That's
Even though the RGB and all that's upside down here. But it'll work. At least we'll get all the screws in. It's funny, that's the only way we can line the screws up. So that's one of the problems with this particular brand. They didn't think it out very well when they went into the design. It will work upside down like that. You won't have the fancy blue ring showing, but it'll be drawing the air from the bottom. You know what I'm saying? The color for your RGB
The color for the RGB will
is
be...
going to be on the bottom. Yeah. Not the top. Because the fan will be on the bottom, not intaking.
So we'll be able to see the RGB?
Through all the holes,
Okay.
you'll still be able to see some kind of RGB, but I really don't know.
That's confusing.
Yeah,
Why did they do that? Oh, sorry.
yeah. But at least all the holes line up.
I headbutted the viewers.
Yeah.
I need to line it up.
Yeah.
There.
It's too bad. But technically the fan should be where the filter is.
And there's a filter like right under where
Yeah.
the power supply is. So.
Yeah.
Maybe this computer case was built like this.
Well, it might explain why this Astrapi or whatever it's called, Astrape fan was so cheap, because they messed up on the design. Because I never found anything very wrong with it. Like it worked really good, 650 watts, but I definitely got it at a very good price. And there was a rebate that came with it, so maybe that's why there was a rebate that came with it, because they messed up. Because it's upside down, yet it's not upside down, because physically, right, it's drawing the power from underneath, but it's RGB, but the writing's upside down, which makes no sense.
Whatever.
But then
This
again,
will be the back anyway. Nobody will see
I
it.
know nobody's looking at the back anyway. I know. That's one thing about the back. Nobody looks at it anyways. But still. Does it at least say 650 watts right side up on the side?
Yep, it has it on
Oh, okay.
both sides.
Yeah, okay. All right. So it's made for that anyway. That part they did get right, eh? Oh, it just suddenly zoomed. I don't know why. Hold on. Oh. Okay. Our poor viewers.
Technical difficulties.
Yeah. I wonder if we can get your sister to do one of those
Technical.
4 minutes later, you know, make a cut. Take out the
Now, technical difficulties in the beep
yeah.
sound effect. That'd be good. I think people would like that. Or we can have it your way, but like.
Why did it make that snapping sound?
I do not know.
Okay.
I have no idea why it did that.
All right.
I was confused too.
All right. Do you have it in tight?
I'm gonna tighten it up.
Remember the cross X pattern, right, that I told you about? Yeah. Well, it looks right. It looks good. Yeah, just till they're snug, and then that's good. You don't have to like torque them down or anything. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. That's good. All right.
Wow! Feels weird
Yeah,
having
you can
my
still
power
read the
supply.
650 watts there. That does make
It's
it
on
work.
both sides.
Yeah.
See how this side
Yeah,
is
but that
upside
side's going to
down?
be covered, yeah.
And
That
this
side has the thing on it.
is a right side up. It's built like that, so
Yeah. And it's got holes in here, so you'll still see some of the color from the RGB.
I'll go like,
Did you want to put this pink van back up?
yeah. I
Okay.
kind of feel bad for it.
All right. We'll put that pink van back up.
Know exactly what
Now remember
screws go for this
how that works. Yeah, I think that's the way it works. But you know what? I think that's backwards because it's an exhaust fan. Yeah, it should go this way because it's an exhaust fan, right? If we're wrong, we can change it out after. But it's being used as an exhaust fan, so we want it to exhaust out the back. Well, we'll check it when we have it turned on. Even just one screw in there for now will be good enough for testing.
No.
This is my fine
I'm
foil
making
job
sure
because we
it's-
didn't have a shield, so we did that instead. We actually took a shield and I did some cutting, but still didn't work out here, so I put some tin foil in there.
It works perfectly fine,
Yeah.
so.
Yeah, took an old shield that I had.
Life
to cut out.
hack, if it doesn't work, use
Yeah.
tin foil.
Like we say, you know, nobody looks at the back. So,
It's like crooked and I don't like it.
well, hold it straight.
I can't.
Want me to do it?
I don't know.
No. No. Do you want me to hold the pan for you?
No.
Don't want me to hold the pan. Okay. I'm not allowed to do anything because this is her build. And she did it all by herself last time, and she wants to do it all by herself this time too. And
Forever.
this is the one.
I really don't like plastic fans because they make new lines every single time.
I know, you have to kind of feel it out. Push it in straight and then feel it out. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you had it. You're going backwards. Okay, right. Oh, yeah. Now go. Yeah. And yeah, you got to use a little muscle on that. Unfortunately, yeah. I know. That's the problem with plastic, my dear. That's why they're specially made self-tapping type screws for that problem. Okay. At least for now. You know, it doesn't have to be.
I'm doing the diagonal one as well.
Okay, all right, fine. Because we might wind up taking it out anyway when we're doing all the fan replacement. But I think that's a pink fan. I'm pretty sure that's a pink fan.
This is a pink fan.
Yeah. Because we're doing it all pink. She wants it all pink.
Because I have
Which
a
means
lot
the
of
fans on
girl
top
dresses.
have to be taken out too. but we're not going to do that right now.
Well, I mean, they're kind of on top.
Well, the power supply isn't finished. You realize that, right?
Yeah. I've known that for a while.
Okay, so...
When are we going to plug all the things in?
Yeah, that's right. When are we going to plug all the things in? And that involves cable management too, by the way. Okay, so... Now, what you got to do is you got to take all those cables and run them inside into the case.
I remember what happened last time when I did this.
Yes. Yeah, you tried to run it through the fan hole in the front of the case, but anyway, why not try the big bulky one? It's going to be the first one to get in your way. Yeah, get that guy in there.
I think I remember where he goes.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think you're right about that. That guy goes through there. Okay, hold on. I'm going to move the camera. She pushed it through she's pushing it through the side here, right? And then she moves the case around, and I don't think they can see because it's too dark for them.
Let's move it over here. See?
All right. I should have brought my flashlight.
Here?
Yeah.
Boom!
Okay. I don't know if you got that, guys, but there it is. Boom. She's got that plugged in. Did you hear it click?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
It was really, I don't know if it was a click, it was more of a...
Yeah. We're about tick. All right, okay. And
more of a clock exploding, but...
I'm gonna redo this because you had it wrapped around here.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Hey!
Oh.
I do it. Even though...
The old sassifying thing here. Did it slide on the guide?
Wait.
There's a guide there. All 3 prongs down on the guide. There we are. Yeah, okay. All right, daughter. There's your little beeper. Okay. All right.
And the little bipper.
Yeah,
I love the
bipper. The bipper. I call it a bipper.
I love the bip.
And then this annoying thing. Oh, that's a graphics card, right? That's for the graphics card.
Should say on it.
Yeah. I know it is because I taped it for the other graphics card.
It's a PCIe.
Yeah, PCIe. It's for graphics card. And then...
Should I do that one?
Well, you gotta have one that goes plugs into this one. That plugs into your
was this a really
CPU
annoying
line.
one that I couldn't do?
Yeah, that goes way up at the top. Yeah.
Oh, I hate this.
Now hold on. Think for a moment. Look at all that cable. You have a glass window. You want to show off your build. Do you really want it to go through that hole?
There's a hole up there.
Yeah. Right? Cable management. You have to think, oh, look at this stupid thing did it again.
Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties. This one seriously needs editing.
Well,
Okay, you could do it that way, or, hold on, isn't there another hole it could go through?
right here,
Yeah, that would
but
be the
that
proper
one's
one.
really hard.
Yeah, but
I'll try it.
no pain, no gain.
Don't act like you have abs.
Okay, what is this? What is this cord here doing here?
It's annoying.
It's in the way.
Get out of here.
Maybe we could run that some other place. I don't know. Well, you got one through. You get one through. You can get the other one through. Oh, you did it. No, you didn't. That's for the fan. These are fans.
Yeah, that's why I'm getting them out of the way.
Oh, okay. She's getting fan lines out of the way. Okay. That's why I was saying we should just take the fans off and then you have more room to work. But you got it through anyway with your tiny fingers. Now you've got to hook them up And that's tricky because you can't put the square peg in the round hole, and there's two of them, right?
Well, if you think about it like this.
Oh, I heard a click.
That was me. Me doing it correctly.
I could do that so fast, man.
Shut up!
Okay.
You're not 12.
I'm not 12, no. Oh, did that one click in?
Yep.
Now you go to the other one.
Both of them are in.
They're both in?
Yep.
Oh, really? Okay, well, fully for you. You already did it. Okay. Okay, all right.
This is...
Now that's for your
graphics
CPU.
card.
And yeah, we don't have a graphics card on that yet.
So, ignore it. This one's going to be fun to do.
Yeah.
I like this one.
Okay, that's your SATA. That's all your SATA power. There's no
Wow.
Molex. Just, let's look at the connectors. Okay. This little thing here is for when you have a floppy drive, which is very rare people don't use. That's a Molex. So 4-pin connector.
So, which
And-
one are we using? Molex?
And this is your SATA. Okay, that's
So-
your SATA power. Okay.
What are all these then?
Those are optional for right now. Because I don't think we have anything. Well, these Molex are actually for your fans.
Great.
Right? Like that's a
Now-
Molex. See? 4-pin? 4-pin, yeah. Okay, so let's start with running your SATA. Now your SATA goes to your drives, okay?
Drive.
So,
Drives where? On my computer, the drives are...
that's a drive. And,
Right.
and that's a drive. Right?
This is... I couldn't see that one.
Yeah.
There's a hole right here. Okay, so there's two of these.
Yeah,
Well,
okay.
there's actually more than... There's three, but I'm going to put this one
Yeah, okay.
to this one.
All right.
If I can see it.
Yeah, that's the trick. And that's where flashlights come in really handy. I should be your flashlight man. I should go get a flashlight.
Yeah, you should. Oh my goodness. Shh.
Oh, it didn't click.
Because you redid it.
Oh, because I taped it?
You redid it. You redid it. You did it again.
Okay.
Mine clicked. Yours didn't.
What? I didn't redo that.
You put it back in.
No, that was a different thing.
Oh.
All right. Hold the camera.
No.
Okay, right. All right. Okay. Well,
I see it.
Okay. I was just going to say, if I have to turn the camera off, then, if I have to go get a flashlight.
If you get a
I think the
flashlight,
last
I'm
time I
murdering you.
took that really bright light that we have up there and I shone it directly into the computer case.
I think I see it.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Did it!
You did it?
It's in there.
Okay, she's got it connected to one of the SATA.
How do you
drives.
know if
Okay.
it's correctly in there?
Well, it looks. Do you want me to test? I'll test. That feels right.
Great. Now get your hand out of there.
Get your hand out of there. Did you see what she just did? She just ripped my hand right out of there. Okay.
Exactly.
Now that one's got to go connect to the other.
I shouldn't have done this guy first.
Oh. It's in your way now. Oh, man. She's just killing it. Oh. Maybe.
I have to
Oh, wow.
put this one in first.
Oh, you put that one on first? Okay. All right. Okay, that was easy.
You sounded like a button.
then
That
you
was easy
Now
button.
you gotta line it up again. I wonder if we can see from the other side better. Okay, Mr. Cameraman. Yeah, you can. Is it turned the right way? Okay. I'm wondering, I don't think it's turned the right way. Oh, now I gotta move around.
Like,
Yeah. The L has to line up with the L.
Oh my gosh. Now I have to go over this way. Move.
Oh. There, I think you got it. Yeah, it's plugged in, honey. You got it. All right. Okay. All right.
This thing sucks.
No, it doesn't. Where does it go?
It would go in here.
You could still run it through there. You just have to be gentle. Want me to do it?
No! Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Yeah, you gotta angle the corner.
That would be like telling somebody to
I would
just...
probably take the SATA off and then put the SATA back on.
No.
The one SATA.
I'm doing it this way now that you said that.
Okay, you got it through.
Now that you said that, I'm doing it this way, and I will not do it any other way. Now that you said that.
Okay.
There. And it clicked.
You got it. Yeah, I heard it click. So, all right, good. All right, and then there's all your Molex. We're gonna have to test. Now there's this. Okay, I think.
No, it's not correctly in anymore.
What is not?
This one. If this one fell out, like.
Oh, really? Oh.
I don't know how. Because it was in very well.
Probably all the pressure. All the pressure probably did it.
Oh my gosh.
You're doing it by feel, are you? She's doing it by feel. By feel. Look at this thing, it's just zooming.
Did it!
Okay, there, you did it. DIY PC. Okay. She did it. Okay, all right, now.
These things.
Well.
This one.
Well, that one is for the...
I can't do that one. We don't have that yet.
We don't have the CPU yet.
This one's for fans. Okay,
Yeah,
so these...
So you got to connect your fans. Okay, those are for when you have extra drives. But you don't have any extra drives right now. Well, you have one extra drive. We could yeah, replace the hard drive, right?
Yeah. We're supposed to replace the hard drive with that one that Dad's holding right now.
This hard drive. This is just a backup drive. It's why are you running it through for the does it have to do that? I don't know if it has to do that.
I like this way.
Okay, I don't think it has to go there.
I don't care.
I think that the other, yeah, but okay, you got to think. People are going to be looking at that through the glass window. Are you on a mess of wires hanging around over front of your computer parts?
There's something down here. I can
Yeah.
get it through here. Yes.
That's right. So.
Heck yeah.
Yeah. You're trying to show off your build, right? So this is like cable management considerations. Okay.
I'm putting it through here.
Okay. What is she doing?
I'm putting it through here. I just said, are you deaf now?
I'll move now.
Because
Well,
that'll
now
make you blind and deaf.
everybody's going to see your spaghetti and mustard when it isn't even necessary to do that.
Shut up.
It isn't. Because all your fans have nice flat black lines. They can go all the way to the back.
Wait, no, shut up. I figured out what to do.
Hey, you're hooking on something here.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I am. Let me just...
Yeah, all right.
Why are you up there?
Why is this down here? Let's pull that out. Let's pull, that doesn't belong down there. That doesn't belong down there. Let go of it. Undo it, if it's on anything. We're gonna bring that up through here because I'm gonna save you breaking your computer. Look at all that. totally unnecessary. Straighten that out. It's going to go through.
Say
the,
please.
It's going to go. It's going to go through the top back here.
Say please,
Please.
now.
Okay.
Thanks.
Don't tell me to shut up. Okay. So, yeah, that's right. And all the rest of them, put them through there. Okay. Yeah. Well. All right. Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Now you're thinking, because
I was always thinking.
this is where your cable management is done. All that hides back here under the panel. And we do the
This one
twist
goes to
ties.
the same one.
And see, this one also needs to be connected to a Molex. It doesn't have to be connected to the same Molex, but you could bridge it if you wanted to. That's called bridging or coupling. Or
I like coupling.
Okay.
That sounds better. Yes!
All
Did
right.
it!
Okay, so now
Can I put
plug
this
that plug in. Okay. Can you put the hard drive in? Okay, well, first of all, you have to decide where you're going to put your hard drive.
Options.
I would put it down inside here, because let it lie down right on the ground, just like it was before.
Yeah.
It stays cooler that way, and you know. But now you got to take the SATA. Do you know where the SATA cable is? Well, it's the SATA power cable. Yeah, you got to take one of those, and the SATA data cable, which is right here.
Thanks. SATA power and data.
Yeah, power and data.
Oh, I should probably plug this before I put this.
Yeah, it'd probably be the easiest way.
This is so much easier.
You can thread this back through here, like this, right?
Yay!
Make sure your L lines up with your L.
Perfect!
All right. Yeah, and it can go in that way too. Yeah. All right, good enough. All right, this is just a practice run. We'll plug it in and we'll see what happens, and then we'll know which ones to take apart. Or not, yeah. And I'm gonna have to go get the graphics card too, but we don't really need the graphics card yet, because we're not like looking at anything yet on screen, right? We're just seeing if it works.
Hello?
Okay. Is it plugged in?
It's this way.
Yeah, because it's upside down, remember?
Oh my goodness.
I know, it's gonna be funny. We might want to change that. Oh, there, turned on. Just like that.
Just what I thought.
Okay.
Red, red, red.
Okay, so which ones have to be removed?
This one, and this one. And that one. And that fan, even though it's part of the cooler, which we're doing next part.
Oh, hold
Next
on.
part will be my favorite part.
Is it blowing out this way? Doesn't seem to be blowing out, does it?
It's blowing out this way.
Is it blowing out this way?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's kind of weird.
Easiest way is...
Well, then we have to change it around. We have to change it. We have to change it the other way. If it's not blowing out that way, then
Yep, it's blowing out.
it's blowing out this way?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because we want the air to blow out this way. So this is upside down. Okay, well, no problem. We know that. So this red pan has to go, and this black pan has to go, and
That's so sad.
these
That's so sad.
and what?
Color.
Oh, well, it still shows color.
Barely. It's like a waste.
No, it's you can see the whole thing glowing at the bottom. It looks cool.
It looks
Look.
sad.
Looks good in the camera.
Well, the camera changes things really weirdly.
Watch. That looks cool.
It looks bad. It really looks sad.
Not with the 650 watt words on top of it. And that's better for the fan. Because that's how... Okay, yeah, you got to make it with pink. There's pink. You got your pink.
Bless me.
You're cool.
Ah, it's so sad.
Because it doesn't show the round bar. But you know what? Round bar wouldn't show much anyway because it's covered. It's covered up top here.
No,
Under the
because
grid.
this,
Oh.
it's glowing underneath there, but it's so sad. It would have, oh my goodness.
I don't think the guests are going to complain.
Well, they can't complain. They get to use a computer.
Yeah.
But it looks so ugly.
It's a guest computer.
Trying to make it look.
It doesn't look ugly.
Yes, it does.
That does not look ugly. That looks okay.
What the heck is that?
What is it? It's lots
garbage.
of color. It's lots of color.
I hate it upside down.
You think that's upside down, eh?
That's upside down.
Well, I know.
Because the ring is on the bottom and the color is all on the
that's the
bottom.
intake
It
fan.
looks better on the back than it does on the front.
Oh boy. She doesn't like that. Doesn't like that
And it's
design.
blowing out this way, not taking in. It's blowing out this way.
Yeah, it's exhausting. Is it exhausting? Okay, you're sure it's exhausting, eh? All right, we'll find out.
Sad.
Why would it be exhausting? Yeah, that's okay if it's exhausting. That's good. You want that? That's your positive pressure. Hold on. But it's not intaking any air there.
Not really.
Then why would there be a filter
Blowing
there?
out.
Okay, let
Not
me test
intaking.
it. Well, you see, no, it's not. It's not blowing out.
Feels like it.
No.
Feels like a nice breeze blowing
yeah,
on my head.
No, it's taking air in, which is what it should be doing to keep the power supply cool. That's what it's doing.
It looks ugly.
It does, eh?
It looked better on my computer.
Well, of course, anything looks better in your computer. You got a cool computer, but that's the proper way. The fan should go over, and like the filter should be in front of the fan. Filter's not going to be in front of
It's not the
any
proper
fan.
way because they didn't build it correctly.
Yeah, they didn't build the power supply correctly. But if we flip it the other way, the fan doesn't have any... I mean, if you want to flip it, it's your build. You
I
know?
want to flip it.
You want to flip it?
Mhm.
Okay, well then we'll turn off the... Oh, it's going to be a lot of work because you have everything connected to it.
I can just flip it.
You think so? Without breaking anything?
Mm-hmm.
All right, turn it off. Turning off the computer. There. She wants to flip it. She wants
Turn
to flip the
off
fan.
this. Press this. Even
Why
though
didn't you
I
turn it back on?
I turned off the thing.
Oh, okay.
That's actually really weird.
Turn it off.
Off. Okay.
Well, that's the heat up, yeah. Okay, there.
That's confusing because I turned this off in the computer.
Your sister needs to get past the...
Recording.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
recording. You're recording. See, it's a crazy family disaster bill.
I'm flipping it.
You're flipping it?
I'm flipping it.
Marley flips the fan. Okay.
And if you want something to cool, we have a crazy good cooler.
She's
to
got a crazy
cool down
good
the,
cooler to cool down. And
the computer. So it doesn't even matter if this thing cools or not. Because that thing is to back it up. And then we got these good fans fans as well to back it all up, so it doesn't really matter if this thing is up or down. That's why I'm making it look good. Because there's already other things to back it up, even if it isn't cooling it. So I'd rather just make it look good.
Okay.
And it's a good power supply, so it'll power up the computer no matter which way it's.
Yeah, it will. It will power up the computer either way, but.
So the only one of these things acting on it is how good it looks.
All right, there goes your hard drive. Okay.
It's not fitting in there. There's cords in the way. There. There. See?
All right.
And nothing unplugged.
Well,
or did it?
you
Let's
can't-
see.
Well, you
Did
can't just
everything
shove your
unplug?
hard drive like that. At least lay it down flat if you can.
Boom.
All right, good
Flat.
enough, I guess.
If this makes you sad, who are you? Are you sad that I'm doing this?
No, I'm not sad. It's your build. No. Make sure it's straight.
I think we encountered the problem with my computer. This exact same problem.
Yeah, I think we did. The lineup, we only could use 3 screws. That's a common problem.
No, the problem was it was upside down, but we put it in somehow anyway. And want to know why? Because that's not an actual hole, that's not an actual hole, and that's not an actual hole.
Yeah, well, yeah. That's why we flipped
We
it and
made
found...
holes.
Yeah,
We didn't flip it. We made our own holes because of the design of this thing.
yeah. So it really is the power supply's problem. And that's probably why I got like a $20 rebate on it. Because...
But hey,
But now you're using a
still there.
fancy schmancy, gold certified Asus Strix Republic of
It's gonna
Gamers
look
power
so
supply.
good when it's like this.
It will, eh? Okay.
I promise you.
Now if you find a way to connect it. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the power off, and
Okay.
I'm going to this footage is going to need a lot of editing.
Okay.
Like this is good enough to be a video all by itself.
Mhm.
But at least we got that part going, changing out the power supply. All right.
Bye.
Bye.